Realizations don't come softly. They come hard and on your back. So
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Maa Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Maa Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है माँ कसम भाई ताचारा रहे भाईचारा माँ कसम हुआ जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ
many years ago, before pandemic, I was doing the same job. I was doing comedy and I got one private show. Okay, and private show usually goes anyway. Okay, private show में सब हो गया. मेरे पीछे कोई तलवार लेके भागा है, बच्चा उल्टी किया है, सब होता है.
So you know how potent this story is.
Yeah.
कि those were rejected.
और ये तो ऐसा tier 3 city है. तो like you know that something is gonna go wrong. It's wild west. So I reach the place and now it's like it's a small show. Okay, it's for a friends group. अभी कौन सा friends group can afford to get a comedian to, you know what I mean? So I'm like already थोड़ा shady लग रहा है. Then it's like, oh, these are the 24 most powerful people in this city. Okay.
Can you give us a hint as to what the city was?
No, but
Why aren't you saying Raipur?
it is.
It's New Raipur.
It's New Raipur.
अच्छा तो जब तू पटना गया था
नहीं, अभी कैसा था ना, वियर्ड था कि वो बेसिकली 12 लड़के 12 लड़की का ग्रुप, लाइक इट वाज हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ ओनली एंड कपल्स ओनली एंड इट वाज 24 ऑफ देम, सो 12 कपल्स 24 लोग. And they have this one hotel and these are all rich people, like somebody owns the local newspaper, somebody owns like all the petrol pumps in the city, like सब अमीर लोग एकदम. तो अभी मैं गया, वो लोग पूरा एक रिजॉर्ट का एक विंग अपने आप के लिए ब्लॉक किया है 24 लोग के लिए. ऑलमोस्ट 100 रूम्स ऑल ब्लॉक फॉर दिस 24 लोग. एंड आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग मैं इतना कम कोट नहीं करना चाहिए था मेरे को. एंड दिस शेडी मैनेजर हैज कम विद मी हु हैज क्लोज्ड एवरीथिंग फॉर मी. ओके, आई डोंट ट्रस्ट दिस गाय. आई एम ऑलवेज वरीड उसको पैसा देंगे वो देगा भी नहीं मुझे टाइप्स. So I go before the show, they're like, you come and you just have a drink with us. And I'm like, listen, I should not be drunk on stage, especially at a private show, because what will come out, what will I say about some, I don't know. So then they're like, no, आओ मजा करेंगे. और ब्रो ऐसा दारू पी, मतलब कॉलेज का बच्चा लोग माफिक दारू पी रहा है करके एकदम सा, एक अंकल दूसरे अंकल के मुंह में बाटला घुसा रहे ऐसा सब. Okay, and I am immediately noticing things are off, but I don't know what this implies. Like, okay, like everybody's dressed well but tight.
Like because of the
clothes are
alcohol?
tight.
No.
like how the कपड़ा टाइट था
पूरा कपड़ा एक साइज छोटा है. लाइक जेंट्सों का ही मेनली, लेडीज लोग अभी भी एक दो अप्रोप्रिएट साइज पहना है, बट मर्द ऐसा चिपकिंग टू द छाती,
शाइनी
just nipples in the cold everywhere I look.
And this is across the board.
This is all 24 people in this room.
Meaning that was the dress code.
That was the dress code.
One size small.
And almost transparent. And it's like
Guys also.
the guys mainly.
Guys mainly.
Guys, वही कह रहा हूँ, लेडीज लोग अभी भी like some of them are wearing a dress or something, so it was not like completely ऐसा सुप करके ऐसा, but like irrespective of body type, everybody was super positive, सब ऐसा चमड़ी दिखा के. और दारू is like some next level दारू, dude, like, and it's all food, and then one guy, you know, manages to poke me and say, अरे पी, इधर तो allowed भी नहीं, हम लोग पी रहे, पी मजा आएगा.
okay that narrows down a lot of cities.
Not the state you're thinking. So now I'm like, अरे थोड़ा weird ही चल रहा है इधर. अभी उधर snacks भी है सब ऐसा. And there's like this one big bowl in the middle of the room. I have no idea what this bowl is about. And I'm like, इसमें क्या खाना था? And they're like, नहीं इसका तो आएगा अभी. I'm like, सही है, इसका तो आएगा, तो मैं भी कुछ खा के तो जाएगा शो के पहले. So I'm sitting and now like I'm noticing that they don't want me here anymore.
But have you performed so far?
No.
सिर्फ दारू पीने गए.
So they're all whispering like, ये जाने वाला है. And I'm like, okay, I guess I have to go now. And like, so then I'm like, I look at them, shady manager is fucking drinking away. He has no fucks to give. He's like, मस्त फ्री का दारू मैं enjoy कर रहा है. I'm like, नहीं चल कट लेते. So we go out and he's like, dude, मेरे को लगता है कुछ गड़बड़ है. And I'm like, what gives it away? It's like वो बोल में कुछ खाना ही नहीं रखा होना. मतलब अबे चूतिया वो वियर्ड कैसे लगा? अभी हम निपल के समंदर में नहा के आए हैं. तेरे को बीच में वाटी तेरे को weird लग रहा है.
निप्पल का संबंध.
मुझे इनिशियली लगा था वो बोल में इसको खड़ा करके परफॉर्म करेगा. चल कर.
So now the show is in the बाजू का little conference room kind of thing. I am in the conference room kind of thing. I am on stage now. Nobody is there.
अच्छा, you went to perform.
I went to perform. They're like, you start, they will come.
To build a country, they will come.
This is such a unique comedy show, dude.
Yeah, it's like walking into a bar when the band is already playing, right? It's like, हाँ चल रहा है, अपन बैठते हैं.
This is literally I perform for myself.
They could have just played a YouTube video.
Then they wouldn't have seen it dawn on my face what the truth was. Midway तो क्या ही बोलूं. Like 5 minutes into my alone time on stage.
And 1 second, Mehta, you're on stage telling jokes also.
Hey, what do I do?
तो खाली है. He has to be like मैं पैसा लेके जा रहा हूँ आज. मैंने काम किया.
मैं अपने existential zone में मैं खुद से ही बात कर रहा है स्टेज पे कि और आकाश कैसा है वेदर आज.
I was just going to ask you, when you're performing alone on stage,
There's always
what
a
do you
sound
do?
guy. There's always a sound guy. So at least you talk. At least first 30 seconds you pretend like you're talking to him. Then it becomes about your life and shit.
No, but you're looking there and laughing. Sound guy इधर से.
और 3 minute में it's just me standing going, भैंचो law पढ़ लेना चाहिए था यार मैं क्या. So now they start coming in. This is the first sign that something is truly messed up.
second I feel.
No. Because I met every couple. Everyone introduced me to their husband or wife. But now, they are entering in different combinations. I have found myself in a swingers party in a tier 3 town in India.
अरे असली विकास तो हो रहा है अपना का. Swinger
Bro,
party.
this is the first stand-up gig where everyone is standing up.
Now, सब बैठ गए अपने अपने जगह पे. And I am
In
still...
what positions are they sitting? तो एक हाथी और चींटी. हाँ सुन रहा हूँ. पता हाथी के बारे में.
And the thing is, like, now again, ये retrospect में मेरे को पूरा इमेज आ गया है. पर आप समझो मेरे को पौना घंटा करना है स्टेज पे.
उनको भी करना पड़ेगा. And now you realize that's why they were like, अरे इसको भेज दो ऊपर स्टेज पे. चालू करते हैं शो.
You are their foreplay.
I am the cover. So
Oh, so now they can make noises and it's like, अरे comedy show चल रहा है. दरवाजा बंद कर. वाह यार, एक comedian kill करता है. इसको हर साल बुलाना चाहिए.
now as I am performing ये सब मेरे को एक एक करके वापस flashbacks आ रहे हैं कि वो कमरे में सब टाइट कपड़े में थे कि वो बोल किस चीज के वो की कार्ड का बोल था. It was a key card swap party. So basically क्या करता है सब जेंट्स लोग अपना चाबी डालते हैं अंदर. या लेडीज लोग ऐसा कुछ सब सामान है. फिर जो भी ऑपोजिट पार्टी का लिस्ट है वो एक एक चाबी उठाता है. जिसका चाबी जिसके सर है ना, जिसका जिधर चला वो तुम्हारा आज रात का शौहर. ऐसा.
One second, how are they checking किसकी की कहाँ है? Because that means somebody is roaming around with a scanner.
No.
अच्छा, रूम नंबर लिखा है. मैं सस्ते होटल में रहता हूँ. अरे मैं I never take the bloody booklet. I forgot that there's a booklet. Yeah.
So
अरे सस्ते होटल में बुकलेट नहीं देते.
I want to know what swingers party was going in your head. जिधर कोई स्कैनर लेके खड़ा है.
स्कैनर लेके आपका कौन सा 308. अरे यार हर बार मल्होत्रा मिलता है यार.
So now I am on stage and I am seeing shit play out that the audience is not seeing amongst themselves.
हाँ.
Like you said, some people are not happy with what they've got. अभी कैसा हो रहा है, एक तो कोई में तो ऑलरेडी सब काम चालू हो गया है. तो हाँ, ऐसा बैठा इधर कर रहे हैं और ऐसा सब हो रहा है, ओके. और ऐसा वो द क्लासिक में घूम के हाथ के तेरे बुक पे रख देगा, ऐसा वाला वो वाला. ये सब मतलब गंदे थिएटर में लास्ट रो में करते हैं लोग.
बट ये करते हो तेरे को देख रहे हैं.
Bro, that's the weirdest part. They know I can see them. They all know I can see. Maybe that's the kink. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to feel that I am the kink. Like it's a little weird to be somebody's kink, no? I'm flattered.
By the way, as a comic, you know that your joke is killing. अगर वो makeout छोड़ के
बेटर क्या है?
what a way to test material, dude. Fuck.
So now this is going on. Now this is around 30 minutes in. Okay, last 15 minutes left. Home stretch. I just need to get through this last thing.
You're like, I'm about to finish, guys. Yes. Little more. Keep doing this. Keep going.
Maybe that is the king. 45 minutes चलो and you and the comedian both finish at the same time. Thank you so much, guys. That's my time. Yes, that's our time also.
अभी एक पॉइंट ऐसा है ना कि the main guy and his wife for that. I remember
There's a
them
main
the most
guy.
clearly. Yeah, that's
Please
the
discuss.
face of the organization.
What is main guy? Like, why is he the main guy?
Because he's the guy who said
Interacting with you.
I am the
अरे
guy.
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है तो उससे अरे यार देखना सूर्यवंशी देखना है क्या हो रहा है एंड देन ही इज लाइक अच्छा तू इधर जा यार हाँ ठीक है सॉरी
Suryavanshi. I think he was just like the spokesperson for the group, I guess. I don't know. So I remembered a specific. अभी वो है ना खड़ा है दरवाजे पे and I'm like इसको बाहर जाना है तो बाहर जाए.
मतलब कैसे खड़ा है मतलब जस्ट स्टैंडिंग
नहीं अभी उतना I leave it to your imagination.
Quite possibly both.
और वो है ना ऐसा कर रहा है ऐसा कर रहा है and I'm thinking he's
एंड आकाश इज ट्राइंग टू पास थ्रू द डोर लाइक अरे टच हो गया
अबे कहाँ जा रहा है आकाश?
One second. So, Akash, he's
I'm on
at the
stage.
door, you're on the
this-
stage,
There's a 30-minute mark.
and he's telling you to get off.
No, and he's calling his a girl, and I think it's his wife. But this is the moment when it really sunk in कि oh fuck एक दूसरे का बीबी चोद रहे हैं लोग. Because sorry, but like that's the how realizations don't come softly. They come hard and on your back. So. This whole and I'm like और अभी है ना my eyes go wide because I'm like oh fuck this is what's going on and they also realize that now इसको तो सब समझ में आ गया and then motherfucking in the next 10 minutes they all started pairing off again into whatever combos and fucking off एक करके अभी last 5 minutes again I am alone on stage now Sun guy has also gone I'm like why am I still and I couldn't stop perform that was the weirdest part I couldn't make myself get off I was like नहीं बना घंटे
एवरीबॉडी एल्स गॉट ऑफ एक्सेप्ट यू
Dude, that night I realized कि private show का कोड डबल करना पड़ेगा.
ये शो बहुत ही प्राइवेट है भाई. It's the privatest show.
आओ तो ये हुआ basically.
Yeah, dude, ये और बहुत मतलब ऐसा I mean क्या दृश्य.
But did you get approached by any couple? Maybe that was the actual king.
I think they saw the shady manager and went इसका तो है. Should I tell you the other one, the cougar auntie story, just to cap it off?
Sure.
Because that was the closest that was the one time I actually did want to with somebody. This is another city. This tier 2 city.
Oh, you're moving up in the world.
Private show.
How private?
वो private like very again rich parties in a big very bad venue for comedy. बाहर सब Audis, but the kind of people in the Audis are the in Gujarati people call Audi चार बंगड़ा वाली गाड़ी, which is like it's like चार bangle, right? It's like they have this new money. We go in and it's like in this state you don't get alcohol usually. So
there is a big trend in states where there is no alcohol. There is Akash Mehta.
I was going to say sexual promiscuity, but yes, they are synonymous. Now, yes. ये तुम लोग के ऑडियंस में जोक चलेगा पता है, बाकी लोग को सिनोनिमस का मतलब ही नहीं पता. So now I do the show and my opening act is there with me and my opening act is like new at this and he's little, you know, he's what's the word for it, rattled by it. So and it's loud, it's drunk, it's uncontrollable audience. Birthday party है किसी का, सब लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं, कोई भी नया गेस्ट आता है, सब लोग उसको जाने मिलने जा रहे हैं. This guy just like I saw him, उसका आत्मा पूरा चूस के निकाल दिया ये लोग. मौत हो गया उसको ब्रो एंड ही केम डाउन एंड ही जस्ट बिकेम लाइक अ स्मॉल बॉल इन द कॉर्नर एंड आई ओके नाउ आई एम गोइंग अप एंड आई एम इन रेज फकिंग मोड कि तुम लोग सब दारू पी रहे हैं, मेरे को कोई नहीं बोला एंड आई जस्ट लाइक आई वेंट एग्रो ऑन देम एंड दैट्स आई गेस व्हाट ड्रंक पीपल वांट राइट सो देन आई डिस्ट्रॉय इट वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट शोज आई हैव डन इन माय लाइफ इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल इट वाज लाइक प्रॉपर ऐसा चाबुक ले लेके मैं सबका मेटाफोरिक बर्थडे हंस करके मैं
अब तू चाबुक लेके नाउ यू मूव्ड ऑन टू BDSM.
So, show ends and like a fucking movie fantasy, bro. I get off the stage, I drink a glass of water. This beautiful older woman walks up to me in a black dress and she's like, "Oh my God, you were great tonight." And I'm just like, मैं सोचा इसके बारे में पहले. Isn't it? On some level, you want this to happen in your life.
And at the back it was Naughty America. Nobody does it better.
My husband's not in the room.
So then I'm like, oh, and yeah, you know, like I flirt little.
उसका पूरा destroy हो गया जो image
तो मैं थोड़ा फ्लर्ट किया, वो थोड़ा फ्लर्ट मारी और and then she was like, where are you going tonight? So I had a house on rent that time. So I'm like, I'm gonna drive back. Yeah, you're okay. We censor.
काट देंगे.
अरे इसलिए थोड़े दिन तो गुजारिए.
Shit, anyway. So she's like, why will go all the way back? Why don't you stay over at my place? The golden words have been spoken. So I'm just and and I'm like, before I can say, "Arey, Mausi, please," like before I can get to it, she just interjects with the last line. She says, "My husband won't even be back till 5." So I'm like, नहीं, ये वाले में नहीं पढ़ने का.
हाँ. ये सुबह 5 बजे कौन उठ के भागेगा रूम से?
So I'm like, alright, this is not too complicated. No, thank you. So then she's like, okay. And then I go to the opening act. I'm like, चल मेरे साथ. As I go to him to help me out in this situation, this motherfucker is running. He's like, मेरा हो गया, मैं जा रहा है. अभी मैं अकेला है. मैं मुड़ता है, literally fucking movie bro. आंटी आई, इधर आओ. And then like मेरे को पकड़ के लेके गई कोई कोने में where her husband is standing at a table and having drinking and all. And she's like, she shows me and she's like, देखना, he's so worried. He thinks that you will come at 5 and do something, and he's like, "Oh no, it's okay. I'll come earlier, यार. उसमें क्या है?"
Oh no.
तो मैं तो खो गया कि ये 1-on-1 का बात चल रहा है, थ्रीसम चल रहा है, कक सिचुएशन क्या है इसमें? और मेरा गांड फट गया, dude.
यार बेसिकली ये कौन सा फॉर्मेट ऑफ क्रिकेट है?
It's like मेरे को इनवॉइस में क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे?
ये यूनिफॉर्म तो नहीं है, टेस्ट का भी नहीं है, ये तो T20 का भी. And then I'm just looking, and then it was like, you know, have you guys seen House of Cards? तो उसमें you know they fuck their bodyguard. Spoiler alert. हाँ, तो वो bodyguard को कैसा दोनों ऐसा ऑक्टोपस के माफिक उसका हाथ ऐसा करके चिंग, तो वैसा करने लगे in public, okay? Like there are 300 other people here, and I'm like this lady is and you know
Use your words.
now-
They understand words. We've established.
she's grabbing my
Oh, डांडिया.
तो मतलब मैं बोल रहा अरे नहीं
नहीं ऐसा मत करो. नहीं मत करो ऐसा प्लीज. क्या कर रही हो आंटी?
And I swear for 1 second I was like thinking कि उसको पूछूं कि वो बस देखेगा कि क्या करेगा.
Somehow देखना is weirder than actually joining in.
If he was just watching, you should have sold a ticket. You should have been like,
Alright guys, I'm about to go live on YouTube.
499.
सुपर चैट भेजिएगा.
सुपर चैट दे दिया उसने तेरे को. But then what happened?
Only for
ran away.
No, I ran, dude. Like, dude, that day I covered the expressway between the two cities in record time. In record time. मैं Life of Pablo लगा के पौने घंटे में 100 किलोमीटर का जर्नी खत्म करके मैं घर जाके हिला के सो गया.
that's it from this episode of Maa Kasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at tismaakasam@gmail.com.